Well, hello there, ladies and gentlemen. I've had recent comments saying I'm shouting a bit at the camera. That's not the case, But I've got this Gucci little thing here, look. So let's see how we go. So the reason I'm loud on the camera is trying to get the iPhone to pick up my voice. And we're going to try... Maybe we don't need to worry about it so much with this. Let's see. Right, okay, so first things first, it's Friday, it's time for the workshop walkaround. I don't feel right unless I'm shouting. So, good morning, folks, and welcome back to Doncaster Motorcycles. It's time for the workshop walkaround. It's Friday, you know. Hang on, let's get used to this camera. I'm still playing with it. Woo! Right, okay. So, this Triumph is back in. We did the fork seals recently. Suspected bush issue, and the seal has started leaking again, so we're going to have to put bushes in it and maybe a stanchion. There was some wear on the chrome. We was hoping, fingers crossed for everybody, that we'll get away with just a seal, but unfortunately it does need more, so some more money is going to have to be spent on a few more internal components on that one. Right, so on the DeVille, something's missing on the DeVille. What is it? What's missing? Oh yeah, that's waiting for disc and pads. So it's at a service, waiting for disc and pads. Aaron's beautiful SV here. That's had a fresh pair of tyres. We'll be picking that up today. Richard's BMW's been dropped off. That is for a 6,000 mile service. And what is it for an MOT? The ER6F is still waiting for us to have a look at the throttle actuator issue. Terry's Z1000 all sorted, all done and dusted, ready for home. John's XJR 1300 there, he's still waiting for his basic service. Simon has dropped off his Fireblade, and that is for a service. I do believe it's a basic service, and he's got some brake issues. He's got some serious brake issues. But we'll inspect that more when we get it on the bench. That's booked in for, I do believe, on Wednesday. On Wednesday. So Billy has valeted the Triumph. We've still got to get some bits for that. This is the one we'll be retailing, but it's actually come up super mint, so that's going to be a beautiful machine. So this ZX7R you know about. We haven't got around to having a look at the fuel issue on that yet. The 888 is still waiting patiently in the wings. This tracer that Neil's got on the bench is for a full service, I do believe, and he's already in at the valves. So he's made an early start on that one. Fox's Ducati Monster still waiting for me to get a minute to I had the carbs, I've cleaned the carbs, so we're waiting on some kits, rubber kits, carb overhaul kits for me to carry on with that. And this Fireblade, I do believe, has been is this in for today for a full service? Is it a full service today? Let's have a butcheroo on the old diary. Full service, inspect rattle. Requested a video. Oh, right, okay. So here's a video. That's all you're getting. Because I'm really busy and that's all you're getting today. So, right. Triple flip again. Boom, boom, boom. Right, okay, so that was the Friday workshop walk around. That's me trying not to shout at the camera. I don't feel right. I feel like I'm more energetic when I'm having a go at the camera. So, but yeah, see how you think about this video. So, Chief Sweeper's over there. So, hang on, stop dancing. The camera's not catching up yet. It's still looking at my face. And it's now you. Now dance.
I think that's it.
Yeah, it's quite a relaxed workshop walk around this morning. We're not fired up. I'm not had coffee yet. We're trying to get this video done before the madhouse of the phone starts ringing and everybody starts rocking up. So anyway, and also, right, this bloody camera is chuffing. Yeah, technical difficulties, folks, It's trying to point up in the sky. We don't want it up there. Let's get down here. Right, page 51 of this week's MCN. Page 51. Oh, so you see? New technology. Should have stuck to iPhone, and you should have dealt with my shouting down the old microphone. Page 51, one sexy handsome mofo. Ooh, right, yeah, this is on the KTM job that we did. I don't understand why Bob's got more pages than me. I'm definitely better looking than Bob. But anyway, cheers to Bob sharing that page. Henry Cole's on the front this week's MCN. Page 51. Is that it? Is that everything? Yeah, this gimbal don't even know what it's doing. I'm sorry, folks. I will get hang of it eventually. So yeah, thanks. So thanks for watching. And do you like my new furry hat? It's kind of blocking my vision a little bit, but yeah. Right, next one. That's it. Right, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. It's Friday. You know what that means? Hey.